Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to All Rewards MasterCard online. First, open a preferred web browser to get started. Now, in the URL box or the search box, type in All Rewards MasterCard login and press enter. Go and click on the first link that says Loft MasterCard Home Community Bread Financial. Go and pick on this first link that you see. It'll then take you to the login page from where you can easily access your account. Once you end up in this page, click on the sign in button appearing at the top and it'll bring up your sign in form on the right hand side. Go ahead and enter your correct username for your Loft All Rewards MasterCard. On the next field, type in the correct password associated with your account, and then you can hit the sign in button. But if you are having trouble remembering your username and password, click on the forgot username/password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. Finally, after clicking the sign in button, you'll be able to log in and access your All Rewards MasterCard. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're watching us for the first time. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.